Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on an XGODY X15 smartphone if you don't have the passcode and so the screen is locked and you need to bypass that. This will get rid of it, but it will also erase everything else off of the phone. But if you're ready to do that, it's quite easy. You'll see there's these foreign characters here. We're going to be able to get through that menu even if we don't understand what's on there. So all you need to do is have your phone turned off. And then while it's off, you're going to press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the phone turns on. Once the phone turns on, in that mode, it will open up with a menu like this, and you'll use the volume down buttons to scroll down to this eMMC option you can see here, and then you'll hit the power button to confirm it. You may need to go through one more screen of Chinese letterings where there's only one option. It's just the confirmation page. You hit that, and then it will wipe everything off the phone, restart it, and it will turn on like it was when it came out of the box.